Welcome back to my channel. It's Cozy Christopher. Today I get the opportunity to work with MegaModz. Now this part of the video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just taking you along for the journey. So MegaModz is a controller manufacturer that makes custom controllers, and they have, I mean, all the brands, right? They got Xbox, they got PlayStation, they got the Edge, they got it all, right? They got the Elite controller too. They just added those recently. But anyway, I'm building a custom Xbox controller today, Xbox Series X. Let's jump into this. This is the MegaModz website right here, and I'm on the controller builder already. Now, when I get the controller, I'll go in more detail about the website. But we're gonna design this thing together. And so, if you see it here, you have all of the different things that you can add there on the right hand side. So it's super simple and easy. And so let's just get started. First and foremost, you know I'm adding the back buttons. I gotta have the back buttons. Trigger stops, they just added these, and so these are different trigger stops that you can have. So you can have mechanical triggers, just a short. So if you're a first person shooter, you want to use these short trips, that way that you get your fire off faster, etc. So I'm just gonna go with this one. And then the performance grips, you know what color I'm going with the performance grips. You see that black and white, that scheme there that I loved it. Now, from there, you have mods that you can add. But the thing is, when you do the mods, you can't do the back buttons. So you can't have back buttons and mods at the same time. They have different mods for like Call of Duty and different things like that, and their mods work in a way that it's not cheating, right? So I mean, technically, yeah, it's still cheating. But you won't get caught cheating with these mods, because these mods are macro mods. Like, it does these buttons in a row, it just does it insanely fast because it's computer. Their mods work the same way, and so they come pre-programmed on the controller there. I'm not gonna add these mods, but if you are a Call of Duty player and you need these different types of mods, you can add these. And so from there, let's jump into the body. Now the body is where all the configuration it happens, right? And so you saw it's 54 different items right here for the now I could just go robot white, for the front of the controller here, and we could have that kind of combination pack right there with the robot white, but I'm not going with the white this time because it looks just like the regular controller. And if I'm going to do this thing, I want something nice and custom and that stands out, right? And so I don't know what I'm picking. They have solid colors here. I could do a bright orange. Orange is one. Purple is my favorite color, but orange I have all the time. You see it in my background right now, right? And it gives you that pop of color. So if I was gonna sit it on my desk and have it in the video, it's gonna pop. But let's see here. Mint green. You guys put in the comment what you thought I should have picked, but I don't know what I'm. Let's see. Mint green looks good. That mint green looks good. Purple's my favorite color. They got the light violet. They have custom colors as well. These are like the, candy paint, as they would say back in the days. They got your hydro dip. Transparent. Now, you see this crystal clear as well as this clear purple now. That looks good. The custom designs. They got a lot of custom designs. They got the green storm. Some of these are cool. Tiger skull. Or just see, man, those always look good, but it's like, man, you can. Y'all know I mess with the space too. So dark matter, alpha Nero. I'm actually kind of stuck between one of these matte colors. Like, I really like this bright orange, although that's super basic. They got the vampire red on here, but the transparent, man, this crystal clear transparent. I'm trying to think about my desk setups, right? Because I got the white setup. Well, you don't know about the setup upstairs. Depending on when this come out, I'm going to go with the crystal clear transparent. Now you can knock me if you want, but when I think about the other colors that I have on there, the white, soft white, and the black grip on the back, that's matching with me. So if you didn't have the back buttons, you wanted to go with the mods, here's the different backs you can have. And as you can see, they got a lot. So they got a lot. They even got soft touch and things like that changes how it touches. But you listen. Back buttons, straight remap, 4 backs for configuration. Choosing RGB light in this section will remove back buttons. So if you go with the RGB buttons, you can't get it looks like choosing RGB lighting in this section will remove back buttons. Ah, man, so you can't go RGB and back buttons at the same time. That changes things. Cause I really want the RGB. Which might change some other things. So let's go. I gotta have the RGB because I don't have any controllers like this for Xbox. So I gotta go RGB. I gotta switch it. Which means I gotta come back up here and I gotta throw some mods on this thing, cause we switching. So I gotta throw the mods on there because if I'm not doing the back buttons, and I gotta kit this thing out now. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna remove the back buttons because we gotta show you the RGB when it shows up. We gotta show you the RGB. We've seen the back buttons, but let's see what this RGB had to talk about. And so mods. Now that we have the mods, we're gonna go in here, and I'm just gonna. This got 12 mods, so I'm throwing the top of the line mod on there. It adds everything. It adds all 12 mods. Obviously, I'm doing this because I'm partnering, right? And it's not coming out of my pocket, but we're gonna see, like, if you max out this controller all the way, what all you get, right? And so that's what the RGB did it for me, right? The RGB, but you know, it's making the controller more expensive, but we're gonna see what the top of the line package has. I'm gonna add the soft touch white on the back. I gotta have a soft touch white. I got to. And then I just gotta have that look. I gotta have that look now. You got white buttons. Woo! Chameleon purple buttons. And then the vampire red buttons. But if I go white, you know, the RGB shows up a lot more. So, ooh, they got the white RGB, white buttons. Okay, but they have black buttons, but those black buttons are sold out. But listen, I was gonna go white anyway. You already knew that. I was going white anyway. You get to pick basically the buttons, but then the RGB is basically, you know, whatever the RGB package is, right? And so that's the gold. But listen, I got these white. I got the white. So listen, I could change all of it. You already selected RGB lighting for your controller, so choosing D-pad section will remove. So like, you can change the button colors of this. It's probably the same for the ABXY. Yep. But listen, I'm not tripping because I got RGB. So like, you can change the different colors there. View menu and share, same thing. RGB buttons, white buttons coming on deck, so I can't change that. But again, just in case you want to see it, you can change the different colors. So it's the same colors right across the board there. So you got black, electric, volt. You got all the colors that you can get in the design lab. So you good to go there. Thumbsticks, same thing because I got the white buttons coming in, so I can't adjust those either. But look, I'm not mad. Listen, I'm not mad, but they got standard, they got aluminum, they got interchangeable, and they got two-tone colors for that. So listen, I'm not mad because I got the RGB. So grip panels. So I selected those already, but if I wanted to change the grip panels and do something different on the back, I could. But I like that two-tone, so I'm not gonna switch it. But you see they got rubberized, they got exotic colors, and then they got some custom colors too, chameleon green, chameleon purple. Accessories. Adding accessories, so you get so add extra options to enhance your gaming experience. Thumb grip, PS4, enhance your controller usability to adding a set of thumb grips made from top quality rubber. The features come with 4 sets, 8-piece total. So it looks like it says PS4, so it's confusing. I don't think that's compatible with what I got, but oh, look at it. Whew, okay, I thought it didn't show up, but it shows. It got the juggernaut, it got the white. Listen, y'all, I hope y'all put in the comment section what y'all would have did here, because I'm basic as heck. Y'all seen my setups. Like, I'm super old, and so like I'm not adventurous and stuff. I'm trying to be. Soft white triggers with the black bumpers. Oh, we got exotic colors though. Crystal clear. Yes, Lord, let's go. That's dope. Red clear. Purple clear. Let's go crystal clear, yo. Hey, let's go crystal clear. I didn't see that the first time. It's because when I changed it back. So my bumpers, you can change the bumpers too. And then if I did, they're saying crystal clear. They suggesting that like as it matches. Wait though, Christopher. Like, I'm indecisive right now. Y'all gonna jump on me. I'm indecisive right now. So if I was to go full bells and whistles, minus the back buttons on here, which ends up being more money. Okay, so here's the breakdown of everything I got on here. $330.86. Additional options, the Juggernaut multi-mod package added $56. Trigger stops added $35. Auto heal and rapid fire added $7 and $20 respectively. Body is crystal clear for $13. The back soft touch white is $14. RGB lighting for $45, including the white buttons. Bumpers clear added $5. Clear triggers added $5. Grip panels came with the multi triggers, and then accessories. I don't know if they're going to send that 4 sets of orange because it said PS4, so that was confusing. That's $10. And then USB-C charging cable, that's 9 feet, that's $11. Same day assembly, $20, and extended warranty, $15. Item subtotal, $75. Option subtotal, $255. So basically, controller was $75, and all of my options was $255. So that brings us a total to $330.86. So make sure you subscribe to see the controller when it comes in. We're gonna game with this thing. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna look at it. We're gonna get some cool visuals, some aesthetic content, if you will. So let me know what you would have done in my shoes in the comment section below. As always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.